Welcome to Swedish with Axel, Lesson 4. Let's talk about the future. The simplest way to talk about the future in Swedish is to use present tense along with an appropriate word or expression, such as tomorrow, soon, or next week. Jag jobbar imorgon. I'm working tomorrow. Jag jobbar imorgon. Another way is to say Jag ska jobba imorgon, which would be translated into I will work tomorrow. Jag ska jobba imorgon. The difference between these two is not very big, but if we want to be picky, we can say that jag ska jobba imorgon demonstrates a little more determination and certainty. Let's practice that one more time. Vi går hem, and by just adding the word ikväll, it's the future. Vi går hem ikväll. Now try to change this sentence into the other form. Think about it for a moment. Vi ska gå hem ikväll. Vi ska gå hem ikväll. There is a third and final way of speaking about the future, which we must use if there is something we cannot really control, or if something will happen as a consequence of something else. For example, it will rain tomorrow, or if you study Swedish, you will get better with time. Something that just happens. To do this, we use kommer att. Kommer att. For example, du kommer att gilla filmen. Du kommer att gilla filmen. You will like the movie. When studying Swedish, you may come across a sentence like this. Du kommer behöva en jacka. Du kommer behöva en jacka. You will need a jacket. Notice that there is no att, only kommer. And actually, we don't need the att. In modern Swedish, it's very common to skip it. Both ways are correct, with att or without it. Now let's practice choosing the right form of future. Here are 3 sentences. Pause the video and try to translate them in your mind before moving on. Hon ska jobba. Since there's no word like tomorrow or later, we must use ska. Jag äter senare. Thanks to the word later, we can use present tense. Vi kommer ha problem. This is not something we actively decide to do, and it probably happens as a consequence of something else. So we must use kommer, or kommer att. So let's overview the tenses. Jag jobbar idag. Jag jobbade igår. Jag har jobbat länge. Jag ska jobba imorgon. Jag kommer att missa bussen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.